Keeper opposes proposals plus the audience. So I'm standing here to opposing the motion which says that dogs are better than cats because dogs protect our homes.
Because cats cannot make family poor because cats eat little food. He says that cat can play with kids.
Cats are better than dogs because on my side I disagree because dogs are
Cat is better than dog because cats are clean.
Is better than cat because dogs protect our home. My second view states that dog is better than cat because dog play with kids. Thank you.
Than dogs because cat take away rats.
The motion of today states that dogs are better than cats. On my side, I agree because dogs are good for families.
Keeper opposes proposals plus the audience. So I'm standing here to opposing the motion which says that dogs are better than cats because dogs protect our homes.
I'm here to oppose the motion which states cats are better than dogs because dogs are friendly and faithful. Dogs help to find people. Cats are better than dogs because cats keep our home clean.